Hey you guys, it's Katrina here with Spoken Interiors, and this week's product spotlight is all about our natural woven shades. Now, I've heard a lot of you guys refer to these shades as bamboo shades, and that's not entirely correct. They're actually called natural woven shades, but I can understand how you can come to the conclusion of bamboo shades because they're actually made out of bamboo stalks and different grasses and jutes and weeds, and actually they're hand woven, so no two shades are the same. So they're actually hand woven these materials and then making them into Roman shades, and that's why we call them natural woven Roman shades, okay? But today I'm gonna show you 3 tips you wanna think about when you're considering adding natural woven shades to your home, okay? First is the color. So a lot of people think you only have to do shades of brown and gray and natural colors because that's the color of bamboo stock and grasses most of the time. But you can actually add black and white to that. So you can actually add a bleached color to your natural woven shades to add your personality in there. The next thing is your edge banding. So I'm so excited to be able to announce that you can add edge banding, and let me show you what that is. It's the actual edge of your woven shade, and so what it's going to do is going to protect the edges, and so you don't see any raw edges of your jute or your reed stock on the edges. It's also going to protect it when it's going up and down. But the cool thing is you can add all types of colors to your edge banding. You can even add prints. I've seen people do it in cheetah print. I've seen people do it in zebra print. So you can really have fun with this aspect of your shade, okay? The last thing is cordless. We are no longer doing cords, people. Cordless is the way to go. Cords are harmful to your pets. They're harmful to your children. Let's lose the cords. And I'm happy to say that you can go cordless in a snap. You can also add motorization, which is the wave, the new wave after cordless. And so you don't have to deal with the distraction and the bulkiness of cords. So that's 3 tips you can add today to your natural woven shade orders and really bring your personality and safety to your home. So until next time, we talked about natural woven shades on our product spotlight, and until I see you guys next time, my name is Katrina and you're rocking with Spoken Interior Homes.